happened during that one part of that one video. Coming up alive! Oh, wait, is that? Oh, it's blue. Oh my God. You see, this is the reason why you do not need a border collie during your videos. Blue, do you know where my egg is? Oh, frick. There's my egg. My God, my border collie. Blue, quit it. Ugh, the royal dog. No, you can't. My egg, Blue, quit it. No. After I defeated Piglet. Okay, really? Thanks. Okay, that's it. We're changing sides. After when I defeated Piglet, it just never felt the same. After the 2 piglets I defeated, gosh, my border collie just wants to be famous. He wanna be famous. Okay, now we got it. He's just staring at me up high. A fridge. This has turned out into the most weirdest thing ever. Are you biting? Anyways, so I just wonder, where's anyone else? I've been alone for the past 2 egg hunts episodes, and I only got my egg, and I'm kind of lonely without seeing Chuck for so dang long. At least I landed. Okay, really? This dog, who it is? I'm about to push you off the entire. Oh my God! No. Yeah, my boy. Oh, so anyways, as I was saying before the dog keeps on trying to kill me, it feels lonely without Chuck being around. I wonder what I can do. Let me go back to the original place. Apparently the fan's now on. This is way too hard to take care of your egg by yourself. By yourself. Chuck. Maybe things will go back to normal. What's this? Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Huh? This is like a forest. Can't be. There is no way. Red? Is that you? Random falling leaves and bugs everywhere. Jeez, get out of the lane. Red, it's been way too long. Chuck, how long has it been? It's been like days since I've seen you. Oh my gosh, Chuck, how has it been being kind of like alone everywhere? It's been terrible. I've already had a counter with 1 pig. I've had a counter with 2 pigs. Technically 3, if you count Piglet twice. You battled Piglet? Yeah, and then I went on a camping trip just to see if any eggs were far away. In freaking nowhere. So, anyways, yeah. I mean, like, I went on a camping trip and we could not find nothing. Really? It was that hard to find anybody? Yeah, no egg. All I did is went through a parkour test, and then I got attacked by 2 pigs. Oh, which ones? Piglet and Piglet. It's just I've been pretty much sitting here for the past couple days. I wonder how it's been. Our eggs. Dude, they've been so long. Yeah, and the rest are gone to history. That's 3 eggs. We need to find all of our eggs. I know we need to find every single gosh dang egg, but it's too hard. I don't know what, but I feel like something is around us. What do you mean by that? I think, before you guys see what Red thinks, we actually got a lot of new fish. Look at all these beauties. A couple of them have died already. Like Magma and them, he died. But look at all of these. We got like a butterfly koi. We got a lot of orange fish. But that's fine. He's like a light orange. It's another Goldie. We got an albino one all the way over there. He's coming over. And here's pretty much all of our fish we have. We're still gonna get more. Our lily pad might just not be doing so well right now, I guess. And then we got actually a little orange one with white little tips on it. And then we got, look at these. They're just mainly feeder fish. But anyways, let's get back to the video. I think I feel like something's watching us. All over, everywhere. Wait, you feel that same exact feeling? I've been sitting on here and I've been having an encounter with Piglet, but I wasn't able to finish him. He just ran off. Me too. My Piglet just ran off. I finished mine at the, campgrounds, but there's just one thing that was not clicking. Where did they go? Well, we're back. Well, now I'm escaped from that campground. It took so freaking long to get back. That's why we haven't been able to do it. It's just taken so long to get back. They'll never find me. Wait. My bird senses? What? Effort. Oh, no, it's Piglet! Nope. You don't see nothing, boys. Run! They detected I have been here. Battle station. Uh-oh. What did you do, Red? I might have left the launcher back there. Frick! Wait, I have a good idea. How about we just swing? That's a good idea. And I'm gonna get Piglet first. Effort. No. Wait, who's that? I don't know. Must be a new person. I've only battled both the Piglets, and I don't think I remember him. Of course you remember me, idiots. That's Mustache Pig. Wait, how are we gonna get Piglet? They're all the way over there. My launch can't do that. You forgot that I have powers, Red. Powers to speed up the quicker than speed up. What up, Alfred? Oh no! Ha! No. What up, boys? Boom! Wow! Oof. That didn't work. I'll get Piglet over here. Meow. Oh, that hurt. That really did hurt. Piglet down. 2 more to go. I say we leave Mustache Pig for the very end. Go get him, Chuck. Yes, because they only take 2 to hit. Oh, frick. Huh, I made it farther than I thought. What up, boy? Oh, frick. Piglet, just a second, Piglet. Down. Okay, so, last one. You guys will never be able to get me. Do it! Double crossing! Yeah! Chuck, lead the way! Oh, no. Oh, frick! Ooh. You will not get away this time. I'm sorry, guys, I'm not able to see. Hopefully this works. Wait. Oh, you're not gonna finish me! Oof. Ooh. Dude, you're supposed to be me down here. Alfred, I'm a pancake. You'll never defeat me. I am way too overpowered to be defeated by you two. Oh, really? I'm gonna get some hits on myself. Oh, hi. Okay, I can really get you. I can probably get used to it more if you would quit hitting me so hard against the ground. No. Boom, baby. Hey, I wonder how Total Stuff Up Island's doing. I mean, Total Home Island. Yeah, they sound last consistent. Shut up. No. It can't be. You are done for. Boss defeated. Yeah, we defeated him. We defeated the two piglets first, and we defeated, of course, him. Yeah, let's get back to our eggs. You guys will not get out there. Okay, anyways. We got our two eggs, but I don't know what we can do. Where can we search next? I don't know. I say we search the road. Why? Well, the eggs all pointed to a specific road, didn't they? Yeah, but hey, trust me, Red. Trust me on this one. I'm pretty sure they're on a road. Fine. But where would they be? Well, all the eggs did point that way, which means they'll be on the second road. I guess we better go. Yeah, I guess whatever. Okay, ready, guys? Wahoo! Thank you all for watching this video. Just saying, subscribe, hit that like button, and also hit that bell button for more notifications. We always would love it. And if you guys want, watch us more of these videos. We have 2 more out. And see ya. Peace. So, we're just gonna be stuck in here for the past 80 years. Seems like it with these bugs. Piglet, I told you to continue doing that. Fine. Really? Okay, that's heavier. Guys, push with me. Push it off. Coming in. Ready, set. Look at that, I landed on the pillow. Now, everybody, we gotta give a vengeance on the birds. I overheard when I was just coming from